Hello guys, welcome to this channel. In today's video we are going to learn how to update our YouTube app. So when you use a YouTube app for a long time or for a long month, you have to go to Play Store to check whether they have updated the system or they have updated the app or not. So every 30 days you have to, or every month you have to update your YouTube app or any other app on your phone. So as you can see, YouTube, I really like YouTube and I can't stop using YouTube. So always I have to check whether YouTube is updated or not. So let's go and check. So when you want to update your app, what you have to do is to go to your mobile phone and search for YouTube. Say YouTube. Yeah, so when you see YouTube, this is YouTube. So let's go to, when you go to your phone menu, let's go to Play Store. So when you get to Play Store, what you have to do is to tap on the Google Play, which is search apps and games. So we're going to search YouTube. So type in YouTube, as you can see over here, and you can see it have not been updated, so we have to update it. So let's tap on it. So when you tap on it, you see uninstall and update. Uninstall means delete, and update is you are upgrading it. So let's tap on update to update our YouTube app. So when you tap on update, you're going to see it's going to load over here, and this YouTube, which is owned by Google. It contains us. As you can see, it's pending, so we should wait to verify the app. So guys, keep on wait. Okay, so let's wait. It's going to start right now. So it started with 2%, then jumped to 8% and now 9%. So let's wait till 100%. So let me show you something over here. Maybe when you're having a crash on your YouTube app, or you're finding problem on your YouTube app, maybe it's not working well, it's not working the way you want it to work. First of all, you have to update it. After updating it, try to see whether it's working the way you want it. When it's still behaving the way, like when it's still behaving, like if you don't like the way it behaves, just come to the developer contact to check the website over here. Maybe you're going to get their email, and if you don't want to check the website, you can go through their email. As you can see, yt100support@gmail.com. So you can just pick this email and just email them through this. And also you can also visit the account with this address. And if you want YouTube privacy and policy, just tap over here to check out your privacy and policy. So this is what I wanted to show you. But if you want more information or more details about YouTube, tap over here. You're going to see about this app, which is about YouTube. So watch and subscribe. Like, it's a lot over here. You're going to learn a lot about YouTube. And if you want to know more about YouTube, just don't worry, I'm going to drop a lot of videos about YouTube, how to use it, how to make money with it, how to enjoy it, how to fix problem with it, like anything. So as you can see, it's installing. So let's wait. It's going to finish installing right now. So let's wait. Okay, so as you can see, it's installing, so let's wait. You guys should exercise patience. It's gonna finish right now. Don't worry, it will finish just in a few minutes. So let's wait. So you can also tap on the Google LLC. So when you tap on the Google LLC, you're going to see all apps which is owned by Google. Or apps owned by Google. So when you click on it, just scroll down and tap on the arrow over here. So when you tap on arrow over here, you're going to see all apps owned by Google. So as you can see, YouTube is owned by Google, Google Charts, Google Photos, YouTube Kids, Google Translate, Contacts. If you mention, I can go through, or they have calculator. I mean, Google is one of the best company in the world, and I really trust Google, and I cannot stop using Google products. So let's tap on the YouTube to see whether it's still installing. Oh my god, it's running too slow. Okay, so guys, be patient, let's wait. It's gonna finish right now, so let's wait. Let's wait more. Oh my god, it has delayed too much. So when you see that your app that you are updating or you are installing is keeping long too much, what you have to do is this new tricks that I want to tell you is a new trick that you guys do not know. Let me show you something. Just tap over here. When you tap over here, just clear it. After that, let's go back. When you go back, tap on the Play Store app again. So when you tap on the Play Store app again, wait for it to load. As it's loading, as you can see on my phone screen. So let's wait small. After that, tap on the search apps. So when you tap on search app, search for YouTube, and after that, tap on search and wait for it to load. After that, tap on the YouTube app and you see, boom, YouTube app installed. If you don't know this, then I'm telling you, you have to follow me for more videos like this, because I have a lot of tricks to teach you. I have a lot of tricks to show you. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and also leave a comment in my comment section. I'm going to help you out with it. You might see this video like update like how. You see, you've learned two things over here: how to update YouTube app, how to contact YouTube, and also how to fix long installing when you are installing or updating app, like when it keeps long, how to fix all these three problems in one video. Thank you very much for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and also share this video to your friend. But before that, please let's go back to our Play Store app and tap on open to see how the YouTube app is looking. So as you can see, it's loading in. How this is so beautiful. Let's wait for YouTube to update itself. As you can see, pictures are now coming. So wow, so now we are seeing thumbnails over here and the other videos over here, and I really love these videos. I really love these videos. So I really love YouTube and I can't stop using YouTube. Next time, or in my next video, I'll be teaching how to use YouTube. Okay, a lot of people don't know how to use YouTube, so I'll be teaching you all this in my next video. Thanks very much for watching this video. See you in my next video, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and also share this video to your friends on other social media platform. Thanks. Bye. See you. Bye bye.